The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. To ensure safety, it's essential to position the heater in a way that it maintains a safe distance between flammable materials and the external surfaces of the heater. You can refer to the heater's manual for the required safety distances. To start the installation process, remove the protective lid. Remove the rubber grommet from the heater. Create an opening into the rubber grommet and thread the cable through it. Insert the cable through the designated opening in the heater. Cover the opening with the rubber grommet. Connect the wires to the terminal strip. Start with the green and yellow ground wire. Next, blue goes to N, grey to L3, black to L2, and the brown one to L1. Reinstall the protective lid. Attach the cable to the cable fixator and one of the protective lid screws, so the cable stays in place. Install the legs of the heaters. Lift the heater on its legs and push the rest of the cable into the opening it comes from. Feed the cable into the control unit through the bottom opening. Connect the wires to the connectors, the green and yellow wire to the ground connector in the bottom left corner. Blue to N, grey to W, black to V, brown to U. For further questions, please visit our website www.huum.eu or contact our reseller.